People sitting and watching everything at their comfort in their living rooms, in their phones, is something that people are now used to. So affecting, I don't think it'll affect the viewership of the streaming services. I was dying to show sides of me that people have not seen, only friends know of, and it was a constant discovery, even while filmmaking, but while filming this, that I enjoyed comedy so much more than I enjoy any other genre.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I am Rashida Sahani and today I'm extremely pleased to be chatting with Vijay Varma, who's I'm sure all set to impress us all with his new series called OK Computer. Hi Vijay, what's up? How have you been?
I've been very good, very happy to be here, finally talking about the show that I've been deeply loving and working very closely for the last year and a half.
Okay, yeah, I'm sure. And Vijay, I watched the trailer. It comes across as something that which is very intriguing, and it leaves you, wanting for more. That aage kya hoga, ab kya hoga, that feeling it gives. So you tell me, how was your, experience playing the role of Sergeant? And did you find it challenging to play, considering it had less relatability because it takes us to the future?
I mean, it was a challenge. When I first read the script, I was like, how do I even approach this story and this character? And then soon enough, I decided that it will require a lot of work from my end, and it'll require a lot of working with the makers for us to come to a place where we're all on the same page. So we did a lot of reading, a lot of test shoot, a lot of rehearsals before we started filming. Almost for 5 months, I was spending time with the team, with Neil and Pooja, who are the directors, and with Anand. Um, and was my first foray into comedy, a full-fledged comedy. So it was something that I wanted to take it as a challenge and see if I can, if I can do a convincing job. And the response to the trailers has been pretty phenomenal. I was very proud of what we did, and I've been waiting for a year to wait for people to watch it and to react to it. And it's just a matter of few more days now before people get to see it.
I am sure. And as you mentioned that, much to everyone's surprise, you're playing like a comedy role for the very first time, and you're actually playing a good cop and not like a baddie that we have often see you play. So, maybe it
Correct.
was stepping out of your comfort zone also. So, how was that
Yeah.
part for you?
I've been wanting to step out of this mold that I've been subjected to for the past couple of years. I've been only doing gray parts and serious parts and dramatic parts and dark, diabolical parts. Uh, I was dying to show sides of me that people have not seen, only friends know of, and it was a constant discovery, even while filmmaking, but while filming this, that I enjoyed comedy so much more than I enjoy any other genre. So it's been a very satisfying pursuit. At the same time, all the risks that I thought I was taking are feeling like they are all worth it, because I set aside a couple of projects that I had said yes to make this happen. So all the जो भी मैंने इसमें क्या कहते हैं, all all the risks that I took
Yeah.
are all seeming to be very worth it.
Definitely. And I'm sure people will come to know more once the show releases and they watch you, play this good cop. Okay. So, as you mentioned about the risks, talking about sci-fis in India, often sci-fis are disregarded as in they said that, your sci-fis are not made very realistically or not relatably. But as much as I watched the trailer and the promo, I feel that the show has the potential of offering something new and different. But as someone who's starring in it, did you ever feel hesitant while, being a part of it?
And I wasn't hesitant to be a part of it. I was just uh, unable to understand how we can achieve this kind of scale and this kind of incredibly layered and a very nuanced take on how a future in India could look like, and to make it funny, it's not like we are telling this thing in a very serious tone. It's satire.
Yeah.
So all the situations will seem very realistic, can be real and grave danger, but we're choosing this tone of comedy, and the filmmaking style is mockumentary, where we assume that there's a camera crew who's following. If you've seen shows like Office
Yeah.
or Brooklyn 911, it has a tone, it has a filmmaking style which is mockumentary, where
Correct.
the characters break the fourth wall and they speak to the camera. So this we see that happen a lot more in this one as well, and to see a camera crew follow these bunch of absolutely hilarious and officers and bearers of the law, uh, to see them try to find justice in a system which is deeply
Yeah.
flawed. It will be, and to make fun of it is something that I'm really I was sold, and therefore the time that it required for us to find more within the scene every day would be like, okay, so it works as a scene, it works as a dramatic piece. How do we make this
Yeah.
funny? So every morning we would jam about how we can add some kind of either physical humor or either some kind of a character quirk to make the situation feel lighter. It's something that I think I've never been so challenged for any part before this. So it becomes your engagement with the project becomes a lot more interesting and a lot more fun.
Definitely, I'm sure. And combining sci-fi and comedy, I think both individually as genres are pretty challenging, because I've heard so many times actors saying that comedy is the most difficult thing to do, and then you are combining
Yeah.
sci-fi with it. So, how did you maintain that balance in the series?
So a lot of it is already written in, and the humor is written in for in situation, in dialogues, in certain characters. But the character of Sergeant Kundu is extremely serious, and he's very like uptight, and because he is very serious about finding the truth and finding certain kind of uska ek, he wants to liberate himself from his past. At the same time, he has a sense of justice, and he's fighting against forces to make that happen. So it was sorry, I'm forgetting the question.
Yeah, how did you maintain the balance between, the sci-fi part and the comedy
Yeah.
part?
Uh, uh, so the world is set in a future, so that was taken care by the design part of it. Humor was something that I had to let go of as a character several times in order to make sure that the situation remains very realistic, very believable, and the seriousness of this character in the situation is something that is people find hilarious. Like ये ऐसे ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पर सब लोग कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, ये एकदम सीरियसली अपना काम करना चाह रहा है. वो अपने आप में एक can be humorous.
I know, yeah, right. And which, of course, as someone who's worked in films and both in the web space, do you think now with cinemas getting back on its feet, the viewership of web that drastically, like it increased so much in the past
Yeah.
year, 1 year, it is going to be somewhere affected?
Uh, so affected to what? To cinema?
No, yeah. Now that the cinemas are reopening and films are releasing there, do you
Yeah.
think web viewership will be affected?
No, I mean, people sitting and watching everything at their comfort in their living rooms, in their phones, is something that people are now used to. So, I don't think it'll affect the viewership of the streaming services. At the same time, I mean, we want the old world charm of the movie theater in a dark room. And I'm waiting for that to happen because I haven't been to a theater in long, and I was very glad that we are having a premiere in a movie hall soon now. So I can't wait to go back to the movies and the Sone Pe Suhaga is that I'll be watching myself.
Yeah, definitely. And of course, talking about Darlings, I think everyone who has watched Gully Boy is very excited because Alia Bhatt and you are reuniting in it. And, the prep has, of course, started. So, how is it all going?
It's going fab, and again, I'm very happy to go back to the space of comedy. That's a dark comedy, a
Yeah.
very twisted relationship between a husband and a wife and the mother-in-law. So it's a very interesting premise, and two of the brilliant actresses of present generation are working with me. I can't be asking for anything more, and uh, it's a quite a cracker on script and a character that I don't know what will happen to me after the show comes after the film comes out, because it's one of those characters that can create a lot of response
Yeah.
into the audience's mind. So I can't wait to dwell into it. I'm finishing Fallen here in Rajasthan, and soon after that I'll
Yeah.
start filming Darling.
Oh, that is great. Okay. Thank you so much, Vijay, for talking to me. It was a pleasure chatting with you.
Thank you so much. My pleasure as well.
Thank you.